Gaslight lantern.
Yeah.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes. Until winter comes. Makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I just wonder.
This is where I want to stay. I'm gonna have to do some research about this one. Look at, they've got this little, it's probably the beach truck. Look at that. Take you over to the beach. An old Model A Ford bus. 1891. That's when this was built. And they have a fire truck. Wow. There are so many cute places to stay. I am salivating. So one thing you like to do when you go out on a vacation is we like to get ice cream, right, honey?
Yep.
And so last night we went to this place across the street and we got 2 regular size ice cream cones And how much was our bill?
$30.
$30. It was like
And you'd think,
14 plus tax.
you
for
would think
each.
that they would be,
Yeah,
and
for that
we'd be
price.
like, there's no way I'll ever eat this.
Yes.
They weren't. They
No.
were regular.
And we ate them, but they weren't anything special.
Nope.
They were nothing special.
You're right.
So tonight we went out to Stop and Shop. 2 for $4.
And then because we had to buy spoons,
$2.
now we're at 6.
Both things were on sale. So tonight we're at 6.
We're a lot happier.
We're a lot happier. Yeah.
But
so
we've been able to laugh about the $30 ice cream.
we've laughed, but we said, you know, if this happened a few years ago, we'd be crying.
Totally.
Like literally crying, because
We
we'd be
have-
like, now we don't get to eat tomorrow night.
Yeah, if we had our little girls with us
Yeah.
and we bought each of us an ice cream,
Oh, that would have been
that would
terrible.
have been $60, and we would not have been eating.
No. No. And they didn't even have prices on the ice cream, so
Yeah,
how would we ever know?
We didn't even know until we got up there and paid.
That's right.